Hi, this is Dr. Harris. Wanted to work another example for you involving absolute value inequalities. Might help think about some things, think about homework problems, etc. In particular, I want to look at a case where we were looking at the absolute value of an expression is bigger than a number, because it's different from the example that we talked about in class last week. So let's take a look at the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is bigger than 5. And so the way I tend to think about these problems is, what numbers have an absolute value bigger than 5? Well, let's think about it. A number has absolute value greater than 5 when the number is either bigger than 5 or less than negative 5. So think about it. 8 has an absolute value bigger than 5, but so does negative 8. The absolute value of negative 8 is 8, which is bigger than 5. So that number can be either bigger than 5 or less than negative 5, which means that to assess when the absolute value of an expression is bigger than 5, we need to assume that the expression is either bigger than 5 or is less than negative 5. And so an inequality like this is going to get written in two parts. Either the expression is bigger than 5 or the expression is less than negative 5, because the expression is standing for a number. We put a number in for x, we get a value for the expression. And so either 2x plus 3 is bigger than 5, or 2x minus 3 is bigger than 5, or 2x minus 3 is less than negative 5. And we can solve both of these inequalities relatively quickly. We add 3, divide by 2. From the first inequality, we get x is bigger than 4, or we add 3 here, divide by 2 again, or x is less than negative 1. To write that in interval notation, well, we'll go from left to right, so this is the one that's going to come first. If x is less than negative 1, that means that it's on the interval from negative infinity to negative 1. And we include a union symbol there, and then the second one is going to be when x is bigger than 4, and we get the interval from 4 to infinity. And so this would be my answer in interval notation. Please let me know if you have any questions.